So ma'am, in this video I will demonstrate you that how you can add a new project details in a workspace. So once you are in your workbooks, click on the add new icon, give the name to the sheet or file. Now go to the choose file. Here you just choose the file name you want to add, then click on next. Now CRM will automatically pick up all the column names mentioned in that particular Excel sheet. And the next step is you just need to mark the details that in what field type it should be there. So once you make all these things, click on save. Automatically it will create a project sheet here and also import the data as well. So it will take some time as data will get imported with this. So once data is imported, your project detail sheet will be visible here only with the name of another 30 projects. And when you click on it, all the data will be visible there. So this is how you can create a new project details. Like we see, the sheet has been created. And now when I click on it, here I will be able to see all the details in this manner.